Would you like to earn more than $100 every single day from Google AdMob? As you can see, I have made $107.55. Yesterday I made $80.13. You can also earn this amount of money. You just need your mobile phone and internet connection to start making money online. You can easily get approval from Google AdMob. You will have to enter your information to get approval. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on Android Builder platform and then you can click on Create Apps for Free button. Now you can click here to sign up with Google. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on Create New Project button. Now you can type your project name. You can type your package name and then you can click on Start button. Now you can click here to open this project. It will then take you to this page. You can type your web. You can drag this component here. You can type your clock. You can drag this component here. You can type your vertical. You can drag this component here. Now I'm going to customize it. You can click here. You can type your 50 pixels. Click on OK button. Click here. Select this option, click on OK button. Now search your AdMob. Drag AdMob banner here. You can drag AdMob core here. Guys, you can also add AdMob native ads, AdMob rewarded ads. I'm going to add here AdMob interstitial ad. Now click on blocks button. Click on screen button. You can drag this code here. Click on AdMob banner. Drag this code here. Click on AdMob banner. You can scroll down. You can select a standard banner. Now you can click on AdMob interstitial. You can drag this code here. Click on AdMob interstitial. Drag this code here. When AdMob interstitial ad will be failed to show, you can right click here. Click on duplicate button. Drag this code here. Call load interstitial ad. Click on clock button. You can scroll down. You can drag this code here. Now type here true. Click on clock button, drag this code here. Now duplicate this code. Drag this code here. Select your false option. Go on designer. Click on clock button. Untick this option. Now type your timer. Click on blocks button. Click on AdMob interstitial. Drag this code here. When AdMob interstitial ad will be loaded, click on AdMob interstitial. Scroll down. Select this option. Now duplicate this code, drag this code here. Now you can click on web viewer, select this code. Now click on text, drag this code here. Now I'm going to type here URL. You can go on Poki.com platform. This platform have lots of games. You can play any of this game online. For example, you can click here to play this game. You can play any kind of game. You can copy this URL. Now you can go on Android Builder platform and paste here that URL. Now click on designer button. You can click on AdMob banner button. Now you can type your ad unit. You can go on Google AdMob and you can click on apps button. Now you can click on add app button. You can select your Android platform. Click on no button. Now click on continue button. Type your app name. Click on add app button. Now click on done button. Click on add ad unit button. Now I'm going to create banner ads and interstitial ads. Click on select button. Now type your unit name. Click on create ad unit button. Here is showing banner ad unit ID. You can copy this unit ID. Now go on Android Builder platform and paste your unit ID. Now click on AdMob interstitial. Paste your ad unit ID of AdMob interstitial. You can go on AdMob, click on done button. Now click on add ad unit button. Click on select button. Now type your unit name. Click on create ad unit button. Here is showing ad unit ID. You can click here to copy this unit ID. Now go on Android Builder platform and paste your unit ID. Now click on screen 1 button. Here is showing app name. You can scroll down. Here is showing icon option. I'm going to upload your app icon. You can go on Canva platform. You can click here. Now click on logo button. Now search your game template. You can select any of this template. You can type here your app name. Now you can click on share button. Click on download button. Click on download button. Go on Android Builder platform. Click here. Now click on upload file button. Click on choose file button. Select this app icon. Click on open button. Click on OK button. Now you can click on file button. Click on save project button. Now I'm going to export this app in APK format. Click on build button. Click on Android app button. Guys, it will take some time. Now you can scan this code to download your Android application, or you can click on download button to download this application. I'm going to run this application in my Android device. Here you can see my gaming application is looking great. You can also make this kind of gaming application. You can run AdMob ads on your application. When your app user will click on this advertisement, then you will earn money. You can earn hundreds of dollars every single day from Google AdMob. If you want to learn more about AdMob, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.